Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Michael. Woo-hoo. Michael, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Michael.
Make a wish. Lottery. Don't forget the lottery.
Yay! Na-surprise ka?
Yung ganda, yung ganda.
Na-surprise! Ay! Na-surprise si Michael! Woo! Ah! Ah! Happy birthday! Oop!
Saan galing tong crab mo?
Naga. In Philippines. I really love crab cakes. Like,
Kaso baka mataas man ang ano nito.
yeah, salt content.
Ang tension.
Masarap yan. Ano
Masarap. For the hot rice, yeah, we put it in a hot rice.
What?
The
The crab cakes.
This one?
Because it's cold. I think, you
I'll put
know.
it in the bread.
Rice marino? Don't worry.
Michael, it's not sweet, the tablea.
It's not sweet.
It's not sweet.
Let's put more vinegar. More rice.
Rice is life.
Rice is life.
I don't know. Kaya natin na sukay pa na. Uwi.
Last time I attend yung si Clarence kung saan sa amin. And then the wife of Clarence win a rice, a bag of rice. And then they give it to me from Wills then to here. I need to
10 kilo.
Ayaw ko sanang kunin kung si Clarence. And then like I get in from the tube station and everyone is looking for me. Most of them like they came from the party. Sabi nila siguro, saan pa nagaling yung dress na eh? Eh naka-dress up din ako.
Ang tagal mag-ibig date pala yun.
Oo. Tapos nung naghiwalay na kami ni Benji, dyan sa West Ham, he just give me the takeaway food. It was being put in a see-through plastic.
See-through
Oo. Yung plain lang ba? Tapos nakikita nila may spaghetti halo-halo. Tawanan yung mga nasa tube. Tapos may dala-dala pa ako ngayon sa ganyan.
Gretchen, sit down na Gretchen.
Yeah, we'll eat, don't worry.
What can you put dito sa chicken?
Why?
This one.
Is it?
Soy sauce, oyster sauce.
Jay, may nilagay siyang chili something.
What did I put, Adrian? As I always say.
Soy sauce.
Soy
Huh?
sauce.
No.
Sugar.
Pepper.
No.
Love.
Yay!
Cheesy. Cheesy.
Yeah, I will see that. When I cook, I put the...
Ano kaya ito? Parang may ito.
No.
Yeah.
Sugar.
Kaya ito.
Recovery.
Recovery.
Just push it wrong. 8 patient. They said most likely.
For STDA.
This is a word for the Jewish one.
Judy.
Recovery.
Because the job of the doctor is, I don't know, just to collect or push the patient.
Yeah.
That's it.
And less patient interaction. Because they're post anesthesia.
You're like a porter, I think.
JV, no? KB's JV is what?
Okay.
Yeah.
Clarence is gone.
Just gives a note.
I don't know what's gonna happen with that place.
Where is he going?
Okay.
Yuang. Oh, okay. That's different.
Peter recruited him.
Mm.
Really?
Okay, oh.
No? They applied.
That's that, no? Hospital keep sending if anything, if any job is available. Why is doing band 6 or
Oh, bed fight.
band 5? Okay, everyone's.
Good for him, you know. Was already planning to apply in that area. Dude.
Who? JB?
Me.
I think you're next.
I'm always vocal, eh. I'm not gonna stay here for long.
Then you apply band 6.
I think you're next.
I think the best thing is to go to theater.
Yeah, theater is the best.
Yeah.
But you don't have vacancy. That's the problem.
Oh yeah. The only problem there, Marino, is that
You are not.
the competition is
You
very tight.
don't know what to do.
Many are applying there. Yeah,
You never know.
you never know. In the politics there as well. Yeah, in theater, it can be.
I don't like anyone.
So if you're a new one, then you get hit a little bit because you will be a friend to them.
Yeah, you must know someone.
Inside.
Okay.
I think you and Julie will be soon go to theater.
Judy?
To recovery from London,
No, Judy's,
applying for US.
No,
yeah.
he said no.
No, he's taking the exam.
Yeah, but he said that he will not go. Because Adonis couldn't, they apply for kids as well.
Maybe because of his wife as well.
Well, Adonis is considering US.
They're applying for the loan. Julie applied for the loan. No, Adonis.
O kasi John, yung Jason,